I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to do a review of a new palette, a new release palette. Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I got Bling Boss and I'm going to talk all about it. Okay. I'm so excited when I get new makeup. It's just like beyond me. So let me introduce myself. I am Melanie. I like makeup. I'm 45 years old. I have rosacea, sensitive skin, and like all kinds of wrinkles and issues. And I make videos. I put out 2 a week. Usually makeup reviews, sometimes DIY, sometimes lifestyle. Who knows? Whatever I feel like, because I love YouTube. Okay, but today we're doing the review of this palette. This beloved palette. First, I'm going to tell a little story about how I went to get it. It's $15 at Ulta. As you know, or if you watch my channel, I'm kind of obsessed with Lime Life by Alcone products. I don't sell them, but they're reviewing a new product that has a purple that looks just like this purple. So when I went to Ulta and I saw this purple, I was like, I have to have it. It is $15, which for many makeups is the price of an entire, just one eyeshadow. You got a whole palette, Morphe palette, and Jaclyn Hill to boot, okay? So, I got so excited when I bought this. I ran home, and don't ask me how this combination of shit storm occurred, but I have wet hair and my pajamas on in like the worst lighting imaginable, but I had to do a quick review. So I'm going to show you some of that footage. And I got my Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill. The Vault! I went for Bling Boss, and we're going to open it up and check it out. I'm so excited. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I don't have enough. I mean, okay, so here it is. I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Here we go. It is so pretty. Check it out. All right, so we've got this plastic and a mirror, and I'm thinking I'm in love with them all, and I'm going to swatch them all for you, and I'll probably do that later. Insert the swatch. And let's just dig in. I can't wait. My hair's still a little wet and I just couldn't wait to film this video. So we just decided to go for it. You know, this is the color I've been waiting for. Let's just do it. I'm afraid to touch it. It's just, all right. This is not a tutorial, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I am applying the Hush Hush right at the top over most of my lid, and I gotta tell you, I really like this eyeshadow. It is a beautiful color. It comes out well. I've used a lot, and it's still going strong. Then here I go with the gem. I love this. I tried it with my finger, but I really just liked applying it with a wet brush, you'll see. I apply it now, and then after I finish my eye look, I'm going to put it on again because I had looked muted after I put everything else on it. It's a gem. It's a keeper. It's worth it. The palette is worth it just for this gem. Oh, what am I doing now? It looks like I am packing something on my inner corner, probably bling bling. I am loving that bling bling in the top right corner, top left corner of the palette. It's a really nice. In fact, all of the glitters are really nice. Ballsy is a little tough to work with. You got to pack it on a little bit more with a wet brush, but I'm really liking that. All right, what am I doing now? Let's look back. I'm a mess. I'm an amateur. Okay. So I think I'm going to decide what to do on my outer corner, and I went with Berry Treasure. Berry Treasure really ends up almost black when you apply it on. It has so much sparkle when you're looking at it in the palette, and even when you swatch it, it has sparkle, but really when you put it on, it's mostly just a black, good for darkening the outer corner, maybe under your eye. I really like it, but I caution, don't put too much on, because here I am, you see me, I'm trying to blend it out, and it looks pretty dark, but God, it looks pretty. It's a really pretty, Berry Treasure is a really pretty color. while I'm watching me finish, I will tell you that the one color I really did not like at all in the whole palette is on the upper right corner. It's the Mystic. I don't think I used it in this eye look, but it is really splotchy, a lot of fallout. Eventually when I was playing with it, I got it on and it came out well, but it's just so much work. So that was the one color that I personally did not like at all in this palette. Other than that, I mean, there's a billion different people with different opinions on this palette, but as you can see, I'm finishing up my look and it's a lot of fun. Look at that. I think I'm going in with Rockstar under the eyes right now. Look. That's just a fun palette for $15. I was having a great time with it. All right, so let's finish it up and hear what I have to tell you. Okay, so here is my finished look. I am not a beauty guru. Don't watch my tutorial, watch someone else's. But I'm so excited. I love it. This purple is amazing. The other colors are amazing. $15. I'm thinking like I would try like some wear tests and try different looks out and like let you know what I think. But I'm just gonna go out and tell you for $15, you have an amazing purple eyeshadow. I mean, all these other colors, there's so much in common with the Norvina and palette and the Limelight one that's coming out. These two colors. And, I think it's $15. I mean, come on. It's $15. So go for it. It's just worth it. It is a great palette. I mean, look at this for $15. I don't know that you rarely can go to Ulta and get such a beautiful packet. Let's start with the packaging. I mean, it is beautiful. It makes you happy just picking it up and looking at it. So for this reason, I highly, highly, highly recommend this palette. That's few too many highlies. For those reasons, I recommend this palette. If you want a purple like this, and if you've been looking at the Norvina palette, that's actually what I went in there to look for. I went in to swatch the Norvina palette, and like I was like, I'm gonna spend the money, maybe. And I looked at that, and then I looked at this, and I was like, of course, for $15, the one color I wanted was a bright purple. I got this one. So that's all I'm saying. That's my review of this Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. If you love makeup and you really want to get a beautiful purple that can give you like a shimmery look like this amateur look here, check it out. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. All right, we're testing this new lighting situation. How do I look? All right, I feel like it looks pretty good. So this is me. Thank you to my husband for my new daylight light bulbs. I think this might work. Fingers crossed. Hey, I'm Melanie Mills. Welcome to my channel. How bad do I look in this lighting?